Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Celeste and today I'm doing a little bit of a different kind of video. I'm going to do a little yarn haul from one of my favorite companies. This is Wool & Company, and I ordered few skeins of Malabrigo yarn. So I figured I would take the time to show you today. So I don't know how it is for you guys, but when I order yarn, I'm constantly adding, subtracting, switching out skeins. So by the time my package arrives, I actually don't remember what all is in here. So, like I said, I ordered a few skeins, a little more than a few. So today I have ordered here, I have Rios and Malabrigo Mecca. And some of the colors are repeats. Let's take a look. So, right here I have Wales Road in Mecca. So Mecca is a light, bulky weight yarn. And so this is a really gorgeous teal, purpley blue kind of colorway. It might be kind of hard to see on camera, but Wales Road is gorgeous. This one I have been wanting to try for a very long time. It's called Frank Ochre? I don't know how to say that. But this is okay. I did a little research. Ochre. That's how you say this. This is Frank Ochre. I didn't know ochre was even a color, but now I know. See, knitting will broaden your horizons. It will broaden your vocabulary. You can learn something new every day when you're knitting. So Frank Ochre is this color, and I'm very, very excited to use this. I think I might use Frank Ochre to knit up my my waffles with honey hat. I think that would be the perfect color. Skein of Rios. And it's just this really, really rich, beautiful honey mustard, almost golden color. I need to look that one up and figure out how to actually say that. Gorgeous, I'm excited. So I personally gravitate more towards earth tones, neutrals. So I have a lot of those kind of in here. This one, this is where it all began for me, this color. This is a skein of Rios in Marte. And prior to using Malabrigo, I had never knit with wool, except for maybe like, I think I tried a Patton's wool before. And I always had this perception of wool being kind of itchy and not something that I really liked working with. And then one day I was in Berkeley and I discovered this cute little yarn shop. I think it was called The Black Squirrel. I have to double check, but so if you're ever in the area, go check it out. I walked in and it was like a religious experience. I had this like great awakening, and when I first held Malabrigo in my hands, that was it. I've never knit from that point on. About a year and a half ago, I have not knit with any other type of wool yarn. So this is called Marte, and this is just really, really beautiful. We've got reds and oranges, browns, even some pinky plummy colors in here. So gorgeous. This was one of my favorites. Here we've got another ball, I keep calling them skeins, of Thereza. I need to learn how to say these. And this is in Mecca as well, so light bulky. And it's really this beautiful kind of soft baby blue with some darker tones in there. Almost reminds me of like a cloudy sky. Really, really pretty. And then here we've got, I've been very excited to try this color. This is called Bobby Blue. This one is in Rios. Rios is their medium worsted weight yarn. It's considered, they call it their workhorse. This stuff is so durable. You can use it for just about any project. It's just the best yarn that I've ever tried. This is Bobby Blue, and it looks like We've got some dark and light, kind of tealish deep blue colors in here. Really, really pretty. And this one is another Rios. This one is called Pines, and it is just a gorgeous deep foresty green with kind of lighter green tones. It's a very interesting colorway. I can show you. Oops. This was one of my patterns. This is my juniper beanie, and I use this one I knit this one using Pines in Rios, and it's just gorgeous when it's knit up. If you guys are interested, this pattern is available over in my Etsy shop. Features a ribbed cabling detail. Really, really pretty. Yep, so this was Pines. And then here we have another skein of Rios. This is called Va. And this one has always caught my attention. I have not worked with it yet, but it's really, really beautiful. It's got deep green, light green, kind of olive green tones. I even see some blues and maybe some yellowish hues in there as well. Really pretty. I'm excited to see how this one knits up. And then I have Piedras, and this was one of the first colorways that I chose as well. Piedras and Marte. But Piedras is really beautiful. It's a super fun colorway. It's got purples and browns and oranges, even some grays in there. Lots of really rich, beautiful color. So that was Piedras and Rios. And my last two, I'm gonna do a little side by side for you. This is one of my all-time favorites. This is called Glitter. Right here on my left, this is in Malabrigo Rios, their medium worsted weight. And here, on my right, we've got the Mecca. So you can kind of see very similar in their colorways. So Malabrigo dyes their yarn in dye lots of 10, I believe. And so it's just really beautiful golden brown, some very maybe coppery tones in there. It's gorgeous. I love this one, especially for fall, so I'm really excited to use this one. And last but not least, I grabbed a skein of their worsted weight yarn. So this is worsted in Forest, and it's just that, a deep foresty green. Almost seems to have a little bit of a, I don't want to say blue, but maybe some slight teal undertones in there, ever so slight. Maybe it's just my lighting, but it's a pretty solid forest green, and they're worsted. To stop and explain to you really quick, I mentioned grabbing a skein of Malabrigo's worsted yarn in the color Forest, and then compare over here. This is Malabrigo's Pines in their Rios. They're both medium worsted weight yarns, but what I wanted to clarify is your Superwash merino wool, like your Rios, it goes through a different process. It's pre-washed and treated, and therefore the wool itself will absorb color differently, and the Rios tends to be more vivid in color. So that's why Rios, you're going to find really rich colors, and if you purchase their worsted yarn, which is also great, I just didn't want anyone to get confused in case you weren't sure. It's still a medium worsted weight yarn, but their worsted yarn is not Superwash merino. And so it takes the color differently. Their worsted yarns tend to be kind of lighter and more muted in color. So I just wanted to clarify that in case anybody was confused. Yeah, so hopefully that helps. And that is it. I just wanted to kind of come on here and show you the different colorways that I had, get you guys excited for fall. Hopefully I'm so excited for these beautiful fall colors. I can't wait to get going on these. So if you've made it this far, I wanted to mention my next video is going to be another hat I've designed just for you guys, for my YouTubers over here. It is called Waffles with Honey. So the front of the hat features this beautiful kind of honeycomb motif, and that's kind of that's the focal point. And then throughout the sides and the back, we've got this really, really textural, beautiful waffle stitch. And this was a super fun pattern to design. I love this hat. I love how it turned out. I don't know. Let me know which color. Let's vote on it. Which color do you want to see me knit it up with? I am working on a light bulky weight version as well. So for YouTube, I'm going to be releasing my worsted weight version free to you guys. And then if you want to support my channel, support what I do, if you want to purchase the PDF will come with the instructions for medium worsted weight yarn as well as a light bulky weight yarn. And so yeah, let me show you. So this was one of my early testers. It's just really cute. I feel like it's a super cool fall, kind of a cozy look. Yeah. So anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I've never filmed a haul before, so it is what it is. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to, what color you want to see me knit up the Waffles with Honey hat. And yeah, so thank you guys for being here. I hope that you all are well, no matter where it is you are in the world. Just remember, keep it cozy, have fun, and I will see you in the next one.